Hello everyone and welcome back to the video. In this video, we will take a look at how to fix Capcut export problem for Android 2023, Capcut exporting problem, and how to solve the Capcut problem. So before we continue, do hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are updated whenever we upload a video. Do watch until the very end so that you won't miss a single detail. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our Google Store to check if there are any updates available for Capcut. So let's go into Google Store and then of course let's search for Capcut right here. And then take a look at the Capcut right here. If there is an update, such as this one, you can see on the TikTok there is an update, but for the Capcut there isn't one. If there is an update, then go ahead and update your app, and if it isn't, then we can take a look at another thing. So the other thing that we're going to do is we are going to be refreshing our cache of our Capcut app. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our settings. So let's go to our settings, and then we are going to scroll all the way down until we find this apps right here. So go right ahead and click on this, and then we're going to be scrolling down until we find Capcut right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to be force stopping the app first. So let's click on force stop right here on the bottom right, and then click OK. And then we're going to be scrolling down until we see storage right here. So let's click on this and clear data on the bottom right. Go ahead and click delete. And if you have some more cache, you can go ahead and delete it on the bottom right as well. Now the next thing that you need to do is you need to restart your phone. So go right ahead and restart your phone. And once that we have restarted our phone, we can go ahead and open up the Capcut app. So this would reset everything. So go ahead and set all of these up. You can skip this. Go right ahead and sign in. And then we'll go ahead and create a new project. And then let's take a look at some stock videos right here. Let's say this one. Let's go ahead and add. And then this is our current video. So now we will go ahead and export this. So click on the export button on the top right. So this is like an arrow pointing upwards with a line underneath it. And then it will be exporting right here. And then it says right here that the video has been saved to our device and the projects. So we can go right ahead and share the video. So if you want to go ahead and upload things, you can go ahead and upload it from the saved files in your device. And there you go. So now your Capcut export problem has been fixed.